In a world where history hides in the smallest, treasures one place dares to reveal the truth. Welcome to NC Coins World, your gateway to rare coins, secret values, and million-dollar discoveries. Every coin has a story. Every story could change your life. Stay with us because the next coin might just be worth a fortune. Subscribe now and let the treasure hunt begin. Have you ever held a rare coin in your hand? Felt its weight? Its history? Its mystery? Imagine selling that coin online, reaching buyers across the world, getting the best price possible. But wait, how do you start? Where do you go? Is it safe? Is it easy? These questions plague many collectors, many coin owners. The first secret: know your coin inside out. Not just the year or country, but condition, rarity, mint marks, errors. Why condition? Because condition is king in coin collecting. An uncirculated coin fetches much higher prices. No scratches, no dents, no discoloration. Next, research. Spend hours, days even. Look at similar coins on the market. Check recent sales. Observe price trends. Platforms matter. eBay is the most popular, but also check specialized auction sites, coin forums, Facebook groups. Create your seller profile carefully. Use a professional username. Add detailed contact info. Photos can make or break your sale. Use natural lighting. Avoid shadows. Show front, back, edges. Highlight mint marks or flaws. Write your description with care. Be honest. List every detail. Year, mint, condition, any history or provenance. Set your price strategically. Don't overprice, but don't undersell either. Consider starting with an auction to generate interest. Timing can affect your sale. Holidays, collector events, seasonal trends. Communicate promptly. Answer buyer questions. Be polite. Beware of scammers. Never ship before payment clears. Payment methods are crucial. PayPal offers protection. Escrow services add extra security. Packaging is your coin's armor. Use bubble wrap. Sturdy boxes. Avoid damage in transit. Ensure your shipment. Use tracking services. Remember, selling a coin online is a journey. Patience is key. Persistence pays off. This is just the beginning of our deep dive. In the next parts, we will uncover advanced tactics. How to spot fake buyers. How to negotiate like a pro. How to build a trusted reputation. Are you ready to master the art of selling coins online? Before you list your coin online, preparation is key. Preparation can make the difference between a quick sale and a missed opportunity. First, assess your coin's condition carefully. Look for scratches, dents, discoloration. Use a magnifying glass. Take your time. Photographs tell your coin's story. Clear, sharp photos are a must. Use natural light. Avoid glare and shadows. Photograph all angles. Front, back, edges, mint marks, any imperfections. Consider taking close-ups. Highlight unique features. Write a detailed, honest description. Explain the coin's history. Where it was minted. Any special details. Use simple language. Avoid jargon unless necessary. Set a fair starting price. Research similar coins. Consider starting with an auction to attract bidders. Choose the right platform. eBay is popular, but also check specialty auction houses and collector forums. Create a professional seller profile. Be responsive. Answer questions promptly. Communicate clearly with potential buyers. Build trust. Package your coin securely. Use bubble wrap. Place it in a small box. Add padding to prevent movement. Label the package clearly. Consider discreet packaging for valuable coins. Ship with tracking. Ensure the package for its full value. After shipping, provide the buyer with tracking info. Follow up politely. Avoid rushing the sale. Be patient. Selling coins online is a marathon, not a sprint. In the next parts, we will discuss advanced tips. How to handle difficult buyers. Negotiation strategies. Selling coins online is an art that requires knowledge, patience, and strategy. You might think, just list my coin, Wait for buyers. But there is so much more. Let's dive deeper. First, understand your market. Who are your buyers? Collectors? Investors? Hobbyists? Each buyer has different priorities. Some seek rarity. Others want perfect condition. Some value history. Knowing your audience helps. Tailor your listing accordingly. Next, timing is everything. Selling during collector conventions or holidays can boost interest. Research when buyers are most active. Use keywords wisely. Titles and descriptions should include searchable terms. 2012 Canadian nickel. Uncirculated. Mint condition. Rare mint mark. Photos still reign supreme. Consider professional photography if possible. Showcase your coin's beauty. Pricing is tricky. Research completed sales. Use this data to set realistic prices. Don't undervalue your coin. But don't overprice either. Offer auctions for competitive bidding. Or fix prices for quick sales. Communication is key. Respond quickly. Be honest and courteous. Beware of red flags. Buyers who rush you. Offer suspicious payment methods. Ask for personal information. Protect yourself. Use secure payment gateways. Consider escrow services. Shipping must be secure. Choose reliable couriers. Package carefully. Insurance is non-negotiable. If lost or damaged, you must be covered. Keep records of all transactions. Invoices. Tracking numbers. Communication logs. Building a reputation matters. Positive reviews attract more buyers. Consider joining collector communities. Forums. Social media groups. Network. Learn. Share. Consider offering guarantees. Refund policies. These build trust. Selling coins online is a journey. One that requires learning and adapting. Be patient. Be persistent. Be professional. Your coin deserves the best sale possible. In the next parts, we will discuss how to spot counterfeit coins and protect yourself from fraud. Ready to become a coin-selling master? Selling coins online is a journey filled with excitement, challenges, and rewards. Imagine you have a precious coin, a coin with history, with value, with potential. Now, imagine turning that coin into cash that reflects its true worth. But how? Where do you start? What should you do? This is where many get stuck. Many lose money. Many face scams. But not you. Because today, you will learn the ultimate secrets. Step 1. Know your coin. Know every detail. Year. Mint mark. Condition. Rarity. Errors. Step 2. Research extensively. Check online marketplaces. Study past sales. Understand market trends. Step 3. Choose the right platform. Not all platforms are equal. eBay is popular, but also explore specialized auction sites, dedicated coin forums. Step 4. Prepare your listing. Photos matter immensely. Use bright natural light. Avoid shadows. Show all angles. Front, back, edges, details. Step 5. Write a compelling description. Use keywords. Be honest. Describe condition thoroughly. Mention history. Step 6. Set a strategic price. Analyze similar sales. Decide on auction or fixed price. Step 7. Communicate promptly.